The baking and pastry industry is growing globally, creating an increased demand for highly skilled staff. Highly skilled professionals are required for various types of establishments, from retail bake shops and pâtisseries to fine dining restaurants and production kitchens. Aside from qualified, experienced bakers and pastry chefs, these establishments require trade entrants looking to establish themselves in a career. The main aim of the baking and pastry industry is to provide all types of cakes, pastries, breads, and other baked goods to the general public. In order to be successful, a bakery needs to meet public demand. In order to reach the pinnacle of a career, you must start with a good foundation. So, what is baking? Baking is one of the oldest cookery methods and is traditionally associated with making bread. Baking uses convection heat in an oven rather than the direct heat used for roasting. Ovens were used in ancient times for making various types of bread and are still used in many parts of the world today. Before you begin to create complex, wonderful masterpieces, it is essential to master the basics. You will find that basic techniques such as blending, folding, whisking, and kneading are used in just about every product prepared in the bake shop. Join thousands of satisfied students and enroll today.